Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to change specific colors from a picture. In this case, a logo. Doesn't matter, it could work on any other pictures using Photoshop CC 2023. So let's begin. Well, we will do this tutorial with the Adobe Illustrator logo, but it can work with any other logo, don't worry. So the first step will be to go to the image tab on the top and go to adjustments. And as you can see, on the bottom we have an option that says replace color. We can click here and you will have this tool where you can select the part you want to replace. So in my case I just want to replace the AI letters first, and we have this slider called fuzziness. So what this will do is just to increase the area it will take to change the color, because we already have like some sort of contrast between the background and the letters. So just for you to understand, let's just change this color. But as you can see, we have like a very fine border. Changing the fuzziness, we will improve this option, trying to take more space from that border, and it will look better. So in my case, I just want to use like this color combination like here, and we can hit OK. And after that is if we want to change the background, we can go to image as well, adjustments, and replace color. But in this case, instead of selecting the letters, we will select the background. So as you can see, I just want to use like some sort of purple or something like that, and as you can see, it's working. Also, if you see this color like very washed out, you can just increase the saturation here or change the hue in order to change it like right away, instead of like changing the actual color here. But in this case I will only change the saturation, and you can change the brightness or the lightness. So yeah, let's leave it like that. I really like it. And as you can see, the fuzziness option works like this. It's taking more of that background, and it has a more precise color change. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you like it, and bye.